faith. You better hold out another day. Change one day. Hey, but I'm with me, I'm gonna praise you anyway. Lord, I'm gonna praise you. Hey, He restoreth my soul. Watch me now. Hey, I'm Mr. Dung in the valley, so lonely and cold. My body is shaking to my bones. My Savior said He'll dry the tears from my eyes. He tell me, say, all I need will supply some my needs, yeah.
He's keeping. Now put your hand over your head and just say, cover me, cover me, cover me under your blood. Cover me, cover me, cover me. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, Jesus. Here you now, blessings are on. I'm in look east, west, north and south, and it a come at me.
Blessing around me, dog.
A goodness and mercy overtake me now.
Blessing around me, dog.
Yes, me look east, west, north and south, and it a come at me.
Blessing around me, dog.
Oh, keep me true, Lord Jesus, keep me true. For there's a race that I must run, and a victory to be won. Oh, give me power every hour. Keep me true.
It was too much trials, yeah. I came out more than a conqueror. I am more than a conqueror. I am more than a conqueror. Jesus made me conqueror. I am more than a conqueror. Hey,
Come through in this wholesome way, I straight and my trail. Salvation when that should play. I choose God's will, not the benefit. I choose to live right and I'm loving it. I choose to love my friends and my enemies. I choose, yeah.
Jamaica Gospel Star 2023 is off to a fantastic start and voting lines are now open. Vote right now up until this Saturday at 6 p.m. You can vote as much as you want. Vote using the free Reggae Jamaica app. The 3 finalists with the lowest number of votes will leave the competition. Make sure you vote as many times as you wish.